the camera. What's up, you guys? It's Nesha Nichelle and welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can tell, I don't know if you can tell or not, but I have way better quality right now, y'all. Like, I'm recording off of the new camera that I bought. It's called the Canon M50. This video is basically just gonna be an unboxing of me unboxing the camera, and you'll see like how I put it together, how everything works, what I got in my like camera kit and things like that. So yeah, if you want to see my new camera and my unboxing of the new camera, I haven't opened it yet. I waited for this video, so make sure that you guys tune in, join the crew and make it do what it do. Okay, join the crew and make it do what it do. Okay, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I will see you guys in the video. Bye. So this is the box that it came in. I already opened the box. Well, actually, when I got home, my brother had already opened the box. I'm like, why'd you open the box? He was like, I just wanted to make sure it was your camera. So yeah, and I already opened the camera bag, but the actual camera I have not opened yet. So this is it. This is the box that it came in. Nice, right? They also gave me this stand, which is good because I didn't know what was coming in here, and I thought I was gonna have to buy a whole nother stand. My little Canon camera that I'm using right now, it could fit in the little phone thing, but this is not gonna be able to fit, so I needed a camera stand to go in front of my ring light. And I will put the exact one that I ordered down in the description box below from Amazon, the exact like kit and everything that I ordered. It also came with a filter kit, which I guess you can put over the lens and get different filters, SD card, 64 gigabyte, and a microphone. It came with a microphone. I don't know if I'm going to use the microphone because I don't know how to do that, but we're gonna figure it out. In this bag, which is the big camera bag, nice, it has a pouch up here, and it came with this vlogging stick, which is nice because I had one for my baby Canon, but not for my big one, so that's nice. Screen guard for the mirrorless flip out. I don't know what this does, never knew what it did. And cleaner and memory card cases. That's nice. Oh, it cleans it maybe. Oh, an SD card. Cool. All this little stuff is cool, and it came with this in case you want to drop it around your like your arm. This is the sizing of it, so it's pretty nice. Now to get to the actual camera, I'm gonna pull you guys closer and like angle you guys so that you can see a little bit closer. So it's time to finally unbox the new camera, y'all. Oh my goodness, let me put it up here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed and excited, y'all. Boring information and stuff that I'm not gonna use. The camera. The camera. This is what it came in. You see, I'm gonna put some footage in here as well. I don't know if it's gonna be right here, but of me like recording on this too, so y'all can see the difference in quality that I'm about to acquire. I'm so excited. So that's the camera. This is, I guess, like a little strap that you put around your neck if you want to hold the camera around your neck. Okay, so this is the battery, the charger. This is my lens, y'all. This gotta be the lens. Yes. What they gonna do when they come for you, beautiful, hey. So yeah, this is my lens. You can zoom out, zoom in, I believe. I need to figure out how to put this on my camera, and I'm about to not read the directions and try to figure out how to do this, okay? So I'll be right back. I came back to let y'all know that the battery pack has to be charged, so I can't really use the camera right now. I'm gonna clean up all this, let the battery pack charge, and be back with the camera working, and you'll be able to see both angles, and it's gonna be so cool. So I'll be back in a second. So y'all, I got the camera up. I'm trying to figure out how to put it, how to make it record in 1080. So I'm gonna figure that out and then be back with the side-by-side comparison. I promise y'all, I'm coming back. All right, y'all, so I'm now recording from both devices, and I have to get used to this camera because on this camera you literally look right here, and if I look right here, it looks to y'all like I'm not looking right here. I love the autofocus, and I made sure that I was recording at 1080p, 60 frames per second. So yes, this is how the camera looks. Now I'm about to turn this camera off, so say bye-bye. About to turn this camera off, take this camera around the house in different lighting and outside to show you guys how it vlogs and how it focuses and just how it does. So yes, stay tuned for that. Oh wait, okay. All right, so y'all, I'm now outside. I just wanted to show you guys how it looks when you record outside on this camera and the lighting. Let me go in the back because the lighting might be better in the back. So I'll take you, I have to stop looking over here. So I'll take you into I'm gonna take you into the house, and you will see, this is how this looking. Okay. So it doesn't look too horrible in dim light. It doesn't look too horrible. The lens is so wide. Like y'all can see everything. I don't know if I like that now. Y'all can literally see everything. So this is better. This is how it looks in like outside type light. So yeah, I'm gonna call my boyfriend and show him that I'm recording. I'm gonna just let the camera answer the phone. Say hey.
You already know what's going on, man. New camera, man. Hey, look, new camera, new quality, new videos. What's that you talking about?
Period. I was recording, and I'm like, oh, let me call Devin and show him. It's so clear.
It's clearer than the first one.
Oh yes, like this thing, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna have to look good every time I go on YouTube for real now because it's that clear. It's that clear. I love it though. It's nice.
Yeah, I'm glad you got a bang too, but you record right now?
Yeah.
You already know what's going on, man. 401k quality. Wait.
401k, what? 4K.
Yeah.
Okay, bye, love you.
Bye, I love you too.
So yeah, this is the camera quality outside. Like I said, I really have to get used. I don't like that. Like I don't like how it takes forever. I need to see if there's a way that I can fix that when I'm changing lightings because it literally goes like black. But anyway, I really like the quality and I'm very excited. So yeah, I really need to learn how to stop looking over here and look here, Nesha, here. This is just to make sure you're in frame. I'm like, okay, can't even look there. Okay, period. Okay, so right now, I just about to come outside to do my intro. So for this video, so this is actually the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you guys will come back to watch the next. Hope you guys like the unboxing. Hope that you guys will come back to watch some of my other videos since I got a better quality now, you know, better camera, better quality. So I'm really excited. I'm very excited to put out new content. I already have ideas and stuff like that. So yes, vacation, like so much. Okay, so yeah, but yes, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications, join the crew, and make it do what it do. And I will see you guys later. Adios, muchachas. Bye.